Most runners try to fix heel slippage and blisters by buying expensive new shoes, but the solution is often free and takes exactly 10 seconds to do. This is the runner's loop, also known as the heel lock. If you have narrow heels or blisters, this single lacing technique fixes fit issues better than sizing down ever will. But a lock won't save you if the material is wrong. Cotton is the enemy. It absorbs 27 times its weight in water and loses shape, guaranteeing friction. In 2025, the battle is Merino vs. Synthetic. Merino blends like Smartwool or Darn Tough regulate temperature best. Synthetics like Belga are more durable and dry faster. If you get blisters between your toes, ignore the fashion police and buy Injinji toe socks. Physical separation eliminates skin-on-skin friction entirely, a staple for ultra runners. Regarding compression socks, the marketing claims they boost performance. The research, however, only supports a moderate benefit for recovery after the run, not speed during it. Moving to insoles. The factory insole in your $200 super shoe is a 20-cent piece of EVA foam. It provides zero structural support and packs out within 200 kilometers. However, you likely don't need $500 custom orthotics. For 90% of runners, semi-custom options like Curex or Superfeet bridge the gap, stabilizing the heel cup for about $50. Only pay for custom orthotics if a podiatrist prescribes them for a specific pathology. Using rigid support you don't need can actually weaken foot intrinsic muscles over time. Lacing isn't just about tightness. Window lacing relieves top-of-foot pain, while diagonal lacing lifts the toe box to prevent black toenails. Adjust the shoe to your foot, not vice versa. Finally, the upgrade kit. For under $100, pairing high-quality socks, proper lacing, and a dynamic insole improves your run experience more than upgrading to the latest carbon plater. Small details prevent big injuries. Fix your foundation first.